Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through interacting with the powerful GitHub REST API to programmatically manage your repositories, users, and code data. To start making authenticated requests without hitting strict rate limits, click your profile picture on github.com, open Settings, and head down to Developer Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click on Personal Access Tokens, generate a fine-grained token with repository read permissions, and copy that secure key down immediately. Next, open up your terminal or an API client like Postman to construct your first web request. You will use a standard GET method, targeting the baseline URL endpoint at api.github.com/users/followed by your specific GitHub username. Make sure to include an authorization header containing the word bearer, followed by a space, and your copied token to validate your identity. Execute that request, and GitHub will instantly return a highly structured JSON object containing all of your public profile details, repository counts, and follower statistics. You can easily adapt this method using curl or JavaScript fetch requests to automatically create issues, trigger workflows, and fetch repository details directly inside your custom software applications. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.